So Magnus, at what point are you going to tell me about the big four?
And what are you talking about?
There is no point pretending. You know what I'm talking about.
And you need to learn how to mind your business. It's very important in life so that you can live long. Not the pop nose, not the juke eye for where you supposed no juke eye. For your own good, make you for live long. Have you been searching my things?
Magnus, I've not been searching your things. I saw you using it. But I'm wondering why you kept it away from me.
See, guy, the poke nose. I kept it away from you because it is none of your business. It's none of your business. What's your problem? Okay, if you must know, my phone, my person get them. I go soon return them. The best thing to do now not to sell this phone, no. Before the phone go put me for wahala. I don't get energy for trouble. Not to sell them like this, I see the hot.
This life be no balance at all. Working even to be a man no use at all. Every day we think on wahala. Trouble every day.
Lady P.
So this is where you've been hiding, Magnus.
I beg, lower your voice. How you take locate me?
Ooh, you think you can hide away from me in this very small town?
See, I begin work here new. Any pararam now, if my oga or madam come out see this thing, they go fire me. I beg. Look, we see for my former house or this thing.
Is that your concern? I'm here for my money. If you don't give me my money here and now there you go receive better embarrassment.
I know now, lower your voice now.
What is going on here?
Jesus.
Huh? Magnus.
Auntie, well done. Good afternoon. Whatever. See this man here. I don't know whether I'm this man or what he's doing here. Today, I'm here to deal with him.
I don't lose my job.
What has he done?
Listen now, what do you gain? As you don't sack me now, what do you gain?
See this idiot here. He has been working for me, selling ice cream for me. For the matter of fact, I am his supplier. For the past 3 months, he has not made any accounts for all he sold. The worst part of it is that he left where he was living, packed out, made away with my money, my ice cream, and the bicycle I gave him when they used to sell the ice cream.
I won't go again and I passed through temptation. I told you I was facing some life challenges. Money, one up where him.
So, how much is everything?
Madam, it's not like I'm wicked though. But I'm trying.
Can you just cut the chase and tell me, total it and tell me how much is it?
It's 30,000.
Lie. Ice cream will be 9.5.
Don't let me twist that your mouth now. Don't let me twist your mouth for you.
30,000 naira.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll get that for you. Just hold on.
You're lucky today. You're very lucky. I was dealing with you today. I will finish you today.
You must regret this. Bet me. You see this way they do, you go regret them.
Money. That is more important.
Here's the money. This is 30,000 naira. You can count it. So please, so don't you ever come here to disturb him or disturb my peace in this house. Understood?
No problem. Thank you.
Good. You can use the gate.
Come, you won't beat me. Come over here. Shebi doesn't pay you. It is allowed. Come over here.
Magnus.
Madam, please. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Don't tell Oga. You can minus the money from my salary, but don't sack me, please. I don't want to lose my job.
It's okay. The money has nothing to do with your salary, okay? I just gave it to you. Understood?
Right.
Okay. So, I want to believe we are friends now.
5 and 6. No money.
And you won't stop. And you're not going to monitor me again.
Madam.
Right?
Oh, fine. Are you going to monitor me?
My word will be your law. Just this time and from now, henceforth.
Let's not forget. You're too fine. You're too beautiful.
I know.
Thank you.
So we are friends now.
Bestie now. You're my new bestie.
Friends, right? You no longer monitor me.
I did Chris.
No longer monitor
I will
me.
never. But madam, let me, sorry, bestie, let me ask you something. Why you Saga asking me to monitor you? You the follow man or do you cheat on me? Hey, madam, you're too fine. Madam, you don't know rich. Madam, after you na see you, their madam can never. Finest madam. Their madam can never. Our madam is there. Sweetest girl in the country. A bunny black. Hi. Okay, then enjoy, Sha.
This life be no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no ease at all. Magnus, every day with your own wahala. Trouble every day.
Magnus, get the gate.
Madam. Madam, good morning.
Morning. How was your night?
My night was fine. Just that the thought of you was hovering all over my head till morning. One more thing. Madam, say thank you now.
Magnus, thank you.
Thank you very much. One more thing. I must confess. You've been so nice to me. You're a beautiful soul in and out. So, thanks for being good.
Dedicate.
Okay. Last one. London use. The owner bought this phone 1 week ago. Or due to family problem, he won't sell them. Just check out. Now better market. How much you go pay?
Yes.
I won't run up for you. Brother say you're a nice woman.
Magnus, this is my phone.
Madam, that joke is expensive. I give you phone to buy. Say this is your phone.
Magnus, this is my phone. You probably picked this phone up. Hold on, let me unlock it. Let me unlock it and prove to you that this is my phone. This is my phone.
Madam, you won't run me.
I just unlocked it now. I'm not even joking.
I give you phone, make you buy. You send on your phone. What you? I for sell to outside now. No negotiate now.
Magnus, you picked this phone up. My husband threw it away when we had issues some time ago. But you picked it up, right? You picked it up. Thank you. Thank you so much. I have a lot of contacts in this phone. Oh my goodness, I have so many contacts in this phone. Thank you so much, Magnus.
I forsake this phone for outside now. Huh? I forsake this phone outside. I'm trying to send your phone. Okay, ma.
Should I show my husband this phone? No. He would think I went back to where he threw it and picked it up. And if I tell him it was Magnus that picked it, then he'll end up sacking the innocent young man immediately. I have to keep this phone. I still have lots of contacts and content inside the phone. Hi.
Are you alright?
Of course I'm fine.
Then get ready. We are going to see a doctor the day after tomorrow.
A doctor?
It's actually a new doctor and a new hospital in town.
Okay, but why do you want to see a doctor?
Are you not worried about our childlessness?
Oh yes, I am baby. But come on, Dr. May confirmed me medically fit. He said I am fit to procreate, and you are also fit. I mean, we should just relax and, be patient.
Then what is going on?
I mean, there's no point seeing another doctor.
Well, time is one thing I don't have. I never mentioned Dr. Umahi. I am going to see a new doctor and a new hospital in town.
Baby, why going to a new hospital and a new doctor? Everybody knows Dr. May is the best gynecologist in town. We both know that as well.
Like I said, I am taking you to my new doctor tomorrow. So get ready.
Okay.
Which kind man be this, yo? Anyamu, you go kill yourself, yo. Arrange no be like this, yo.
I'll buy it.
As in, you won't pay for the phone?
However you want to put it.
I want to sell and give Oga for bigger price.
No. Don't get Oga involved in this, okay? How much is it?
Madam, are you now? If I begin look your beauty, I don't even know. I don't even collect shish. How much you want pay in a business?
I'll give you 100,000.
Madam, this won't pass 100K now.
I don't understand.
Okay, madam, wait. Forget about the phone first. How much does it cost to be your friend?
It doesn't cost anything to be my friend, okay? Of course, we're already friends, right?
No, madam, you don't understand. I want us to be close friends. Like close friends.
Magnus. We're friends. Okay, we are close friends. Okay. From today onwards, we are close friends. Take it from me.
I want it to. You can confide in me. I can confide in you.
We can always confide in each other. Come on, we're friends, okay? I'm keeping it.
Hi, madam.
We can always confide on each other, right? Get the kids. Get it.
Madam, hi. My madam is the hottest. Who the Zuzu? And they clear road for madam.
He's proposing we go see another hospital and a new doctor. Now see, I don't know why this man is still interested in me giving him a child.
I thought he made a peace with a childless marriage.
I thought as much too. I don't even know what to do. He said we are going to see a different hospital and a different doctor. I'm scared.
Would you? That's a big trouble for you. A very big one.
I know. I have to do something. I have to act right now and I have to act real fast. I'm thinking of removing my fallopian tube.
No. Don't say that. I am not in support of that one. Please, don't say that. You can't go that far. For what? All because you don't want a child?
It's not like I don't want a child. Of course I want a child. That's the only thing I have to do, man. I can't even stand having a child for that guy.
No, that's not the only thing you have to do. Let's just sit down and think about this whole thing. I'm sure there will be a solution, but please.
This man is so wicked. Honey, you know, anything that takes us there, he's definitely going to find out that I'm responsible for our childlessness. I have to do this.
No.
This is the only way to ensure that I don't conceive for him.
Uju, my friend, I said no. I am not in support of this one. This is too extreme. If you don't want a child today, you will want it tomorrow. Please. All I know is that there is always a solution. Let's just think about this whole thing, and I'm sure we will have a solution. You don't have to go that extreme. Please. Uju. Honestly, that would be too extreme, honestly speaking.
I just hate this man so much.
I know, but what you're talking about right now is too far.
Are you okay?
Yes.
It's hot. It's
So,
good, but it's hot.
okay. Let me get you hot water. Cold water, eh?
Okay.
How is he?
He's in a bad shape. I really shouldn't have done this.
Would you? But he would have done what you never wanted him to do, remember? Don't forget that.
So, there's not enough reason for me to poison him.
Poison kwa. Would you? What I gave to you was not a poison. It was just to weaken him for several days and he will get on his feet back. You're just worrying yourself about nothing.
Nothing?
Yes.
You call that nothing? You talk as if you don't know what will happen to me if this man dies. My father will end up thinking that I intentionally poisoned him or killed him.
Uju, trust me on this. Like, I got you on this. Nothing will happen to this man. It was just for him to sleep off for some weeks so that you will have time to think yourself out of this old saga, this whole thing. I swear, nothing will happen to him. And I promise you that. He will be fine. He's just sleeping.
I don't just want him to die.
He will not.
No.
That wasn't my intention. He will not. It's just for him to sleep. Don't worry. He will be fine. Just give him some days. I promise you. Like, I promise you he will be fine.
Why did you do it?
How dare you start something like that? Are you mad?
I'm sorry, but I asked a question. Why did you do it?
Why did I do what? Huh? You obviously don't have anything meaningful to say, so please get out.
I saw you. Why did you do what you did? You know what I'm talking about.
You saw what? You saw what?
Why did you add something to my audacity?
Hold on, wait. Listen, I never wanted to kill him. I can't even think of it like that. I never had such intentions. You know, he's my husband, and he's a good man. Although not all the time, but he's my husband. I cannot wish him dead.
So why did you do what you did?
I only did it to calm him down. I only did it to calm his nerves. You know, he always getting upset and I just want him to relax. That's all. That's all, oh, please. Okay?
You know I'm supposed to tell my Oga. But I decided to talk to you first before telling him.
You did well. No. Don't tell him, please. Okay? I did not mean to kill him. That's what I'm trying to let you know. Listen, I can give you anything that you want. Anything at all.
So why would I do your bidding? Are we friends?
I know we haven't been friends in this house, but please, don't tell him, please. Okay? I beg of you, please.
What you ask of me is very difficult. It's difficult for me.
I know it's difficult, eh? Listen, I'll give you money. Big money. I'll even buy you your fine airpod and plenty meat and anything that you like, I'll buy them for you, okay?
No, I'll think about it.
Don't tell him, okay? Our little secret. Hey now. Hey boy, fine boy, bouncing baby boy. Hey boy, hey. Magnus, please, you have to help me beg Enyi. There is an information Enyi has on me and he wants to tell my husband, please.
Baby madam, calm down. Stress no defeat you. See as the verse is still fine. Calm down first.
Just beg him. I even offered to give him huge money, but he refused.
Enyi.
I'm telling you.
What is Enyi? Enyi na ofen kupu now. Listen, I will handle it for you. You know I can do anything for you normally now.
Just beg him. Beg him.
But wait, before I can't just go and start begging him. What happened? What transpired? So calm down and explain to me so that I will know where to come in from.
It doesn't matter what happened. Just call him. I'll be begging him. Keep begging him.
I should go just go and start begging
him. Beg him.
Beg him, madam.
For me.
Beg
him.
Huh?
Something was
broken. Did they caught you doing something? Why are you... See, no the stress. Stress no defeats you. You want for this black beauty. I will handle Enyi and I'll do everything for you. Calm down. But tell me what exactly happened. Make I know what I did do. What happened?
Just be begging Enyi. Be begging him.
Enyi, the best cook in the world. See my guy. Her offer is fine. Collect that money and let's go.
So I should condone her killing my Oga.
Oga did not die now. Oga did not die. So forgive her. Collect the money and don't talk.
Oga did not die. That is the more reason I should tell him. So he'll be careful of her next time.
No, now you the fuck up and the fuck up. Don't forget that song. Of course I fucked up. Who never fuck up hands in there? You the fuck up. See, if you go cast that girl now, tell Oga. Oga go pursue you. Oga go pursue me. Oga go pursue her. What you gain? Cut this thing, collect the money now, I beg.
See, money no be everything, no.
I beg.
So like the money is important.
Why would they hear the work? We are working for money.
Everything is done. It's not all about money now.
So quit your job and go and lie down now. As you don't like money. See, Bienyi, I don't dey pamper you, they beg you, make you do this now as my guy. I don't promise baby madam so I go and do this thing. Not for my hand now. If this pampering no go work, I go change them for you. Forget this thing. Thank God so I'm gonna die. I mean, you want disrespect our friendship. You want dumb me.
If not for our friendship, I know for keep mute. I did tell you.
I don't say anything for my hand. Come let her.
And tell her that I don't need that money.
Eh? Your blow, stop. I think you don't need that money. You no go talk, fine. But you see that money, if you don't need them, collect and give me. I know your problem because you are the cook. Hunger no dey catch you. As a matter of fact, you're suffering from overfeeding. That's why you don't know the value of money. If you say you get family problem, if you say they call you for phone, they give you bill, you will not say any money will come your way. You collect. What if say you don't need money? Collect and give me if you don't need them. Don't need you for yourself. I think I only need them.
This life no balance.
Hello? I don't know, but I'll try and come see you. And he found out. He saw me. I'll just try and come see you. Alright.
Hey, everywhere soft.
Are you okay?
You're too soft.
What's the meaning of what you just did now?
Relax.
Relax what? Don't you know touching me like that is very embarrassing?
Touching you is embarrassing. How?
How? Did you just ask me how? Don't you know I'm somebody's wife? Why would you touch me like that? Are you okay?
Why, Fukwa? That man on one bar. Papa go soon die now. Do you call this thing you're doing here marriage? This is not marriage. If you're not high purchase.
Magnus, I can see I'm being too familiar with you to my detriment. Don't you ever in your life touch me like that again if you don't want me to skin you alive. Don't you ever try it again.
Madam, calm down. What is it? Touching you is embarrassing now, Abi. No, touching you is embarrassing. But when you need my help, it will not be embarrassing. You come and jejely ask me to help you. Now, ordinary touch is embarrassing. Can Oga finish this thing? Can Oga finish this? Something that God gave you for free, that you once in a while, you just do bonanza, help
Magnus,
people.
just get out.
I will tell Enyi to go on with his threats.
Hold on.
No, I'm embarrassing you. Small touch. How will you pay me for all the good things I've been doing for you here? No problem. Shebi, I'm embarrassing you. No problem. I will go. But you see Enyi, I will tell him to go on with his threat.
Mago,
wait.
Calm down now.
Ordinary touching body too is embarrassing. How will you pay me for all the help I've been rendering to you? I've been supporting you in this palace, I've been saving you, I've been covering you up. How will you pay me back? Ordinary small touching. It be this small. Come on.
I know.
Come on.
I know it's small touchy though. You know I'm somebody's wife. You cannot be touching. It's embarrassing.
Touching body oti Lego. Does it minus money? Lego ya minus and touching. Now once in a while do bonanza beg. You are that man for one bar. Very soon he will die. He cannot finish it. He might die on top of you, sir. You're too hot for him now. Let's be sharing this thing. I will tell anybody.
Oh no, calm
down.
Wait now. Calm down.
I've been saving you up and down. So you have to reciprocate by allowing me to do some little touch. After all, guy is old. Oh, you could be calling you one day. Let me be handling things and things. I cannot finish it. Or guy cannot finish it. Extra 10 men cannot finish it, even if you give them 10 years.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
You are sorry. After insulting me. Me touching you is embarrassing. That means I'm not man enough.
I never said so.
But that's what you meant. It's obvious you were pretending when you accepted to be my close friend. Where is the love?
No, please. See, I don't know.
See. Just say you are sorry and stop provoking me with unnecessary excuses.
Fine, okay?
What's all this?
I'm sorry, my dear friend. It's just that I feel it's inappropriate. You touching me in that manner when my husband is around.
Which husband is around? That vegetable. Look at the number. That one will soon go overboard now. What's all this? Listen, what I'm asking for is simple. Let's be playing. Let's be feeling each other. Let me be cuddling you. You want to go outside and do it? You go cast. Your husband in question cannot stand up from that bed. So he's nearly dead. Let me be doing his job for now. Trust me, you will enjoy it. Forget I'm the one toasting you. Once you fall in love. I'm telling you.
Magnus, There are some things one don't beg. I employed you.
I love you now. On day now, Aja. And your husband, the teacher. So let's be enjoying ourselves. Time I drop one. All I'm asking for is the opportunity for me to be close to you. I want to be kissing. Look at you now, black beauty. I want to be feeling things are wasting here. Let me be following you up. And nobody will know we are inside here. Have I not been trying for you? Reciprocate now. This thing. Any? Don't forget any is around.
Wait now. This thing is sounding like a threat to me.
Madam, it's a threat with a little touch of toasting. Yes, it's a threat with a little touch of toasting. Consider me now. Baby, yo.
Every day with the own wahala. Trouble every day. Take it life to jeje. Magnus,
Okay. Chief.
Any?
Sir.
Any Kongo? Thank God you're here. Did you see my wife? I've not seen her in a while.
Yes, I mean no.
What type of answer is that? Anyway, just help me to get out of this bed so I can urinate.
When I reach, I won't take you. You got for me to carry you come out for this bed.
Okay. Call the gate man to assist you.
Man, not just disturb two people where they enjoy. We can help you.
What do you mean, two people where they enjoy?
I mean, man, not just disturb the two of them. If they do something or they do their job, man, just help you out with the pay. Okay, don't worry. Very soon, you will claim what is yours. I mean, you will claim your life.
What do you mean, claim my life? Don't I have my life? Oh, you mean my wife?
Yes. I mean, your enemies will not see you. I'm just...
You're speaking in tongues.
Hi, sir.
Which kind future you get to? Magnus, I see they wonder where you go land with this your kind behavior.
Ha! Any kwa mabege.
Right, so what do you? What do you do? Can you feel it?
On the cake now. How can I the para for me? Okay.
I saw your mama madam inside your bunk. Maggie, give her a
No, pipe alone. Now what for you? Ha! Any? Why they took eye for my mother now? It concern you. You don't turn on me but for this house. Nah, couple more. No,
see, Maggie, see, let me tell you. Stay away from my madam. Jejely stay away. Because the next time I will see the both of you, man like him, I'll report you.
Or joke or threat? A threat have been a joke. A joke have been a threat. Na joke have been a threat. I don't blame you. If you say I begin born when I'm supposed to begin born, you now my third child is supposed to be. Because I call you my friend.
Which kind future you
No one have to come on.
I see they wonder where you go land with this your kind behavior. Akwa Makechi, Magnus,
Any one. Any. Huh? Fine boy. How are you?
I got to look for me. Abi, you get a message for me.
So can't I come and see my very good friend again?
I'm doing one.
Good to know. Anyways, guess what? I got you a brand new phone. And here with me is some cash for upkeep. All for you.
Upkeep?
Yes.
Which have upkeep again? I do anything. Okay, my salary. No, I don't want my salary now.
Let me say your salary. How will your salary come with a brand new phone? Come on. This is just a small token for appreciation, okay? It's nothing.
To appreciate me? For what? I do farm work for you.
Come on now. Don't make this too difficult for the both of us, okay? Just take this and keep. For the money, you can buy whatever you want to buy with.
Madam, I don't need the phone. As you can see, I still have my own. And it's good enough. And as for the money, I don't need it. I still have my salary. It's still coming. You can never see it coming.
Hey, this is a new phone I'm talking about. A new phone and cash bigger than your salary. Okay.
Madam, please. Before I forget. I've told the gate man. Guilt thing happened today. And I want to talk to you specially to never allow it to happen again. And for the sake of peace in this family, make una go talk say hey, you don't do bad. Because it should not happen again. Thank you.
This life in no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no use at all. Magnus, every day with your own wahala. Trouble every.
I can arrange for him to be taken away to somewhere that he'll be thoroughly dealt with.
Let him be.
I can also send him out of this house. I mean, this is my house. I have every right to decide who stays and who leaves.
Forget about Enyi. He can't do more than a dead rat.
I thought you said he threatened to tell my husband about our affair.
Will your husband even believe him? Oga Vegetable will not believe him now. Besides, he won't even. Enyi is just dramatizing. Man overfeeding, Richard Yanakere. But you of all people should know that Enyi will not do such. He's just blabbing, he loves attention. We have nothing to worry about. I know it.
We have everything to worry about. What if he tells my husband?
Your husband will not believe him. He's not a dummy. He won't. He'll be like, you get man. No. If he says I will tell Oga that he's suffering from a spiritual mental problem, that he needs deliverance, that he's off and on, nobody will believe we have an affair. That's why he's safe. Because it's indoor affair. Indoor affair. Amanjida in one.
You.
Oh, what is it? What is it? Why can't I just have a peaceful night rest for once?
Are you shouting at me?
I'm not shouting at you. I'm not. Look at the time you're waking me up and you ask me if I'm shouting at you.
I want to urinate.
Hey, you want to urinate? Okay. Hey, you want to urinate? Now, I've not seen someone that wants to urinate before. I've not seen someone that wants to urinate that you have to tap me, wake me up at the middle of the night to tell me that you want to urinate. Can't you just manage your sick self to that bathroom and urinate?
I would have gotten out of this bed by myself without disturbing you, but I couldn't.
So, whose fault is it? Is it my fault? Is it my fault? Listen,
if there is anything I signed up for, certainly not to come take care of a sick man. You heard me? So please, kindly carry your sick self to that bathroom and urinate. Don't you even try tapping me again, disturbing my peaceful sleep. Rubbish.
What has gotten over you that you now talk to me anyhow you like?
You better stand up and go urinate. Because if you urinate on this bed, I will make sure you sleep on it for 5 good days. 5 good days without washing it. Rubbish. You want to come and enslave me?
What has gotten over you that you now talk to me anyhow you like?
Better go there and urinate, oh. Go there and urinate, oh.
Marriage in a love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, oh. Make you no die before your time. Marriage in a love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, oh. Make you no die before your time.
Marriage no be like this, yo. Aka heart attack ye anyanwu ije love kane kukokuya Obi battle feel anyanwu because with this your behavior you go die before your time oh. With this your behavior you go get it showdown oh.
Marriage in a love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, oh. Make you no die before your time. Marriage in a love, marriage aboronike.
Who goes there? It is a lot.
Magim. Okay, mom. Mama cham.
It's not Magigi. Okay, Maggie. Huh? Yet you came here and disgraced your generation, not home, because of 30k.
Maggie, that money is not what I need. You know, you are the one that I want.
But you came here with so much drama just because of 30,000 naira, forgetting that I'm managing you. On a normal, it's go. You bet salad. I'm not supposed to be touching you.
Maggie.
I'm servicing you with my young boy blood. Instead of you to be grateful, you are bringing drama on top. If you are bringing drama, what will young girls do?
You know I'm bigger than that money. I can add it something and give you back.
Hold that money. Me self now, I am bigger than you and your money. Shebi, you saw how my madam paid you off with 30k. Soft woman, beautiful woman. I'll give you the two. That is the level I'm operating now. I see more money now. So as far as I'm concerned, you are bygone. It is over and over and over. And in fact, over times non-stop. It's over between us. Get out.
Please forgive me. It will not happen again. Yeah? I need that massage.
No time. Talk more of happening again. You need that massage. Go and look for another person. Come
on, give you commit.
Come on for here. No. Thank you, Maggie. So, get out. It is a lot. No, you're manager. I say, come on. Give me 10 years. Give me 10 years. Just give me 10 years.
Wait. Uju, what did you just say? Like, say it again. What did you just say?
I said, I think I am in love with this guy. Oh my goodness, babe.
Hey. Oh my God. Uju, you are in love with your security man, your boy. A man that stands at your gate to open gate for you, to drive out and to drive in, is who you say you're in love with.
Don't worry. You worry too much, my friend. Listen, I will relieve him of his duty. Then I will build him into this man, this perfect man I want him to be for me, you know.
Uju?
Yes.
You are no longer thinking straight though. You are not thinking as my friend. You are beginning to think like this, bending. Seriously.
My girl, relax. Listen, you need to see this guy that I'm talking about. You need to meet with him.
Becky, what are you saying? Is it not your security guy? Is it not that your security, what's his name, Magnus?
that everybody know, that stands in the gate to open gate for you? Is that why you say you need to see the security, you need to
Listen, calm down.
Look at the way you just take your time to you know, to describe him as if he's someone I don't know. What's that one?
That's not what I'm saying. Listen, you need to meet with the real him. You need to see the real Magnus. Babe, this guy is a perfect definition of a handsome dude. I swear, I don't know why it took me this long to realize that this guy is so cute.
Sioko. Uju. Uju. Uju, how many times do I call you? Again? You've forgotten it. 3 times. Uju, are you sure that this your security guy, this Magnus, has not charmed you? Are you sure he's not blackmailing you? If he is, just tell me. You know I can handle him for you.
Nobody's blackmailing me, my friend, okay? Nobody's charming me. That is far from it. Listen, for me to talk about this guy like this, that is to show you that I have made my decisions. For the first time in my life, I felt so alive. I'm able to make my decisions, to make a choice. You don't see reasons with me.
My own is that you still have to take care of your old man. You know the position he holds in your career.
I know. Babe, for the first time in my life, I felt so alive without him around me. Without him trying to police my life, trying to safeguard me, trying to monitor me. Babe, I feel so alive and loved ever since he got bedridden. Babe, for the first time in my life, I feel like me again.
Uju.
Seriously, I just wish that man would remain like that.
Uju. It was here you sat down. I didn't mean to poison him. I didn't mean to do this. Now you just wish. I just hope all this love with your security is real. That's my own.
Babe, you will not understand. I don't even expect you to understand. I don't even know how to make you understand what I went through and this man's hand. This man is a demon. Like, I wish there was a better word for him, but he's a demon.
Hey, baby, it's not like that. I'm at home. Come now. How much is keke? How much is money for keke? Tell the keke man to carry you direct. I will pay. Oh. Okay. Mama, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. I can't wait. It's my landlady. Let me call you back, baby.
Hey! Okay, sit down well. Where you think say you want wrong go? Yeah? Where you want wrong go?
Baby, leave me now. Which kind of wahala be this one now?
See, wait, let me tell you. See, might tell you something. Magnus has rejected me. So I'm here now for you to take up his work.
I beg, I don't want to. Why me? Men full everywhere. There are other men outside there. Full-bodied men. Why me now?
Calm down. The last time you massaged me, I enjoyed it. So I'm even promoting you to take up Magnus' place.
I beg, don't promote me. I don't need your promotion. I don't want to do all by force.
You must do it.
You get me here, Nike.
At least I'll pay you. Come now, go.
I don't need your money. No, pay me. I don't need your money.
Come down. Come and go do this thing. Let's go.
I don't want to do now.
Don't worry.
I don't want to do this thing. I don't want to do this thing now.
Go. You will do it. Go. I know whether you like it or not, you don't have a choice. You see, I see that you don't have a choice. And last time you did it well.
See, the weather is too hot. I don't want to do it.
Come on, I'm begging you and you're doing this.
Oh God, why now? Why now? Oh, I beg now.
Okay, go. Go do the thing. They do am well.
Maggie, come outside first.
Come outside. What is it?
What are you even doing? And I've noticed you've been sleeping in the main house instead of your bunk.
Enyi, is that supposed to be a problem? Are you beviewing my progress in life? Enyi, I was gradually on my own watching DSTV, channel 152, before you called me out. And I was expecting you to say something serious. What's all this now? What's your business with you have been sleeping?
Maggie? I hope this is not Oga's shoe.
It's Oga's shoe. Is that one Oga? Only for one bar. The vegetable man is chilling. I'm warming up his shoes.
Maggie! Oga's shoe!
No, let me show you something.
What is it?
Look very well. Just look, take a very good look at this. Check the birth date and tell me what you see.
1987.
Thank you very much. Enyi, forget that your name is Enyi in Africa. I was born 1987. That simply means I was born in the 80s. You, no doubt, 2010, 2011. If you say I became born early, you are like my 5th child. What am I trying to say? Learn to respect your seniors and always mind your business. Enyi, learn to respect your seniors and always mind your business.
Alright, there's nothing like minding your business. Hush! Go that side.
No balance at all. Every day we think life to jeje. Magnus,
I will deflect you today.
What is going on? Stand up and talk. What is it?
It's not Magnus. He wanted to kill me here.
So, what did you do? What did you do to Magnus?
Madam, I think the right question should be, what did Magnus do to me?
My friend, don't swat my question and answer my question correctly. What did you do to Magnus?
Okay, I was on my own. You don't come. You don't do it like this.
No. You obviously don't have anything meaningful to say. Yes. Listen, you go in there, pick a broom and sweep this compound. Make yourself useful. Get out of my sight.
Your kind behavior.
My dear wife, thank goodness you're here. Hey, and you come over here is so funny. Guess what he came in here to tell me?
What's that?
That he saw you making love with the gate man. Isn't that funny?
Yes. That's funny. An expensive one at that.
My dear, please, forgive him. I guess he was trying to make a joke of something, but didn't present it well.
No, I was not joking. I meant to...
Enough! Now, leave my room. Let me have...
Get out!
Will you leave here and let me discuss with my wife?
I am definitely going to punish him.
My dear, just let him be. I need you to call my friend Ibe and your father. They need to know that I'm sick.
That I should call my father? So he'll think I am responsible for your illness, is it? Okay, Biko, talk something else. What's that?
Marriage in Naija love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, make you no die before your time. Marriage in Naija love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, make you no die before your time.
So, I suddenly cannot talk to my wife again, and she obeys me.
Even as boy don't talk to Oga. And you no get respect you.
Maggie,
Hmm?
I noticed the way you've been looking at Madam, but I thought it wasn't something serious. Until I saw you both having an affair under her own husband's roof.
How is it your business? That is my question. Why are you finding it difficult to mind your business? Always there on your lane. This is the way to talk now. It concerns you.
Maggie,
why are you even supporting that wicked old man? Okay for one back.
I know my Oga is wicked, fine and good, but he doesn't deserve it.
Does he deserve that beautiful angel? Does he? Okay, if you're going now.
Maggie, you have to leave.
Excuse me?
You have to pack your things and go. Yes, I brought you into this house and I have the right to drive you out. So go and pack or else I will help you pack.
Listen, you are senseless. Because if you have sense, you know that this house belongs to Baby Madam. She's the only one who has right to throw anybody out. Go. Pack your things and
Maggie, come and leave now. I'm serious.
leave us.
Joke apart. Come and leave.
Leave take us.
Maggie, be okay now.
Am I? So.
Maggie, I'll throw you out.
You had the guts, the effrontery, the temerity to go and report my affair to that stupid old fool, right?
They hear English.
Now, I have to show you that I am the main owner of this building and not that fool, or you leave my house.
Madam,
you have to leave my house. This minute, leave my house.
Madam.
When I allow this fool to leave my house, you have the guts to report me. This church rat, you have the guts.
Baby, calm down. Baby, listen. I want to beg on his behalf. Tamper justice with mercy, please. We can move him to the Gateman's house for now. Don't chase him away completely, please. Do it for me. He's my friend. Go. Oh, baby, please.
If you say so, provided I don't see his brief leg inside my main building, provided you don't come inside my main building, else I'll cut you. I'll chop you alive.
My friend, calm down. You are hereby banned. You are hereby banned, like banned from going into this compound. No, into this building. Stay there. I love this girl. It's so beautiful for you.
Maggie,
thank you, sir.
You don't need.
Maggie.
You are banned from coming into this compound.
Thank you, sir.
One amen to yare.
Maggie.
One amen to yare. One amen to yare.
Which kind future you get to? Magnus, I see they wonder where you go land with this your kind behavior. Akwa Makechi, Magnus,
Maggie, Magnus and what?
Taking life with Jaja, take up Jaja.
Uju, why have you not been picking my calls? Huh?
Sorry about it. I've been busy.
Work. Busy? Too busy to take your father's calls? What are you talking about? Huh? Uju, need I remind you that this very seat you're seated on, I gave it to you. And then you refuse to take my calls? Why?
What is even your problem? What is your problem? Is there any day that will pass by that you won't remind me how you made me? What is it?
Are you talking to me that way? Obianuju, what has come over you? We've all been worried about you. Your mother is in the house, sick with worry. And all you can say is,
Father, please, tell her we'll come see her over the weekend.
Really? As your messenger? As your messenger, I should go and tell your mommy. Eh? You are seated in the position that I gave to you and you are giving me instructions. Would you better watch it. You better watch it. Now what about your husband? I've been calling him too and he has not been taking his calls also. What's going on?
He has been busy. Very busy. Extremely busy these days, you know. Busy.
Really? It's okay. Tell him I'll be coming to the house to see him. When I come, I'll see how well you're taking care of him. Look at how good you look. I want to be sure that he looks this good too. I want to be sure that you're returning the favor of taking very good care of you. Pass this message to him.
I just told you he's busy. He's a very busy man. Extremely busy. Busy. So you can give him a call. Just call him. He's your friend.
Would you pass my message to him that I'm coming to the house this weekend? And when I come, we'll discuss other matters after I've seen him. Have a nice day.
You don't need to stress yourself coming.
Which is insanity. And I am obviously not mad. So what are you talking about?
Madam, can you remember how Magnus entered this house? I just saw him at the gate as if he was planted there to monitor and wait for the right time to ask for the job of a gate man. And he never told any of us his background. And if you can remember, it's recently that you discovered he once sold ice cream. And he even came into this house with a big phone that I don't even know where he got that from.
Okay. You don't know. Well, if you must know, that phone belongs to me.